Hey everybody, what's up, Miss Girls? Come up here and follow what I think tuning in. If you want to see me plan in my mini planner, please stay tuned. Hey planner babes, how are you? So here we are. I'm planning from not the 22nd, but since today is Friday, I don't want to back plan, but I have to put the other numbers, so I just realized that. So we're going to plan from Monday to Sunday. All right, so let me find the other numbers, you guys. I wanted to have it prior to, because these little numbers are very like minuscule, like they're very like miniature. So we're going to do this, okay? And hopefully, let me see. Oops. Oh, Jesus. Lord, I dropped one of my 21. Okay, sorry, y'all. Okay. 21. Oops. I need them little tweezer things. Like, I'm still... Camera done cut off. Trying to put these little miniature stickers on. Yeah, I need tweezers. I need to get them tweezers from Sally's. Okay, so here we go. All right, so here we are. This is my planner here. Start with, oh look, that's messing up. Start each day with a grateful heart, okay? So this one is curling up right here. I have to fix that, but that's okay. All right, so here we are right here. I probably have to get another decal. Here we go. So we're going to start planning. So today is actually Friday. Lord, y'all, I'm all out of the focus like that. So we're planning for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I'm kind of going to back plan as well. So we're just going to go back, and I'm just going to kind of, skip around and see what's going on. Let's see. So we're just going to put this here, since this is going to be, let's put Be Happy right here. Okay, these are Agenda 2 stickers I'm kind of using as well. I have to get some more. But here we go. We're just going to place some stuff. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving, if you do celebrate it. If not, anyway, I hope you enjoyed your time with your families. And that's basically it about that. Let's see. So what else? Oh, I didn't see that. So we're going to put that here. It says thankful for. So I'll put that for Thursday. And we're going to put weekend. And the weekend. Alright. We're like, no, we didn't ask for you to sing. Because I can't. Okay, so, alright. So we're going to put weekend up top there too. I didn't realize they had these cute stickers right here. Okay, that's what I like. I love Agenda 52 stickers. Like, I know this one a little crooked, but don't get me. Don't get me. Don't get me. Alright, so, okay. I'm just going to put certain stuff, like stuff to do and things that I saw, because I know I had stuff to do. Let's see. Maybe there was a to-do list. I'm still using the Agenda 52. This looks nice. Let's put this here for Friday. No, let's put this here for Monday. We'll just go like that with it. Alright, I guess that looks okay. That probably looks off, but oh well. And then we're going to put this here too. Planner's gonna plan. I like that. Planner's gonna plan. Ooh, All right. So Saturday is Saturday. So, you remember that? Saturday. That's an old school song. I love old school songs. Okay. Let's put, okay, we're going to put some hydration here. All right. So usually I speed this up, but I guess you guys can, if it's too long, then I'll like get out of it, but you know. Oh, look. Oh, here we go. Bam. And all people like, you know, we know to drink water, but like, you know, you just have to kind of be mindful of it. Not saying I'm only going to drink water on those days, but, you know, like, come on now. It's coffee o'clock. Chillin'. I'm going to put chillin' here. And then we also have to do some, let me see. Oh yeah, workout. We might work out tomorrow. Might be going to sign up for a gym tomorrow. So we're going to put that. But it's recording day as well. So we got a lot to do today. So I'm probably going to just sign up for the gym tomorrow and probably start the gym on Sunday or Monday. That's what I'm going to do. They should have like a edit thingy. But yeah, so that's just basically about that. Just overlap that right there like we pinned it. You think that's cute? Oh, I did an overlay. Y'all. Ooh, that's nice, right? Oh, hope it don't look too crowded. I don't like being too, like, you know, I don't like to OD that much, but, you know, you just gotta, ooh. But yeah, so, that's just basically about that. We could probably just put one more thing, maybe like a happy face. Well, two more things. A happy face on Wednesday. And I'm going to put laugh out loud. Okay. I don't think I had any plans or anything. Like, I don't know. Let's see. Happy plans, because I'm planning. Yeah, so that's just basically it. We don't want to overdo. I want to put something up here. Let's see if we got something. Oh, Jesus. Wait a minute. Let's see if we got something in productivity. Like something that... Oh, no. Oh, that's the one that fell. Let's see. This is note. Oh, okay, note to self. You got this. Okay. I think this is gonna be good. Okay, you've got this. Okay. All right. So I used a mixture of my regular stickers here and then my agenda stickers here. These are agenda stickers from Hobby Lobby, and also I use these number agenda stickers 52. So these are the two I use, and I also used a couple from these stickers here. So I think I used Tiny and Productivity. Okay, which came out to this. All right. And thankful for, you know, family, health, let's see, just having a job, J-O-B, and being positive, and being focused. And that's just basically about that. Yeah, so that's just basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part. And this is for the month of November. As you guys can see, I planned nowhere here. So this is, dag. Do I have the month there? They don't have the, November there. So I will put something here, but these boxes are like mad little. So let's see. Got some other little agenda stickers here. Oh, sleep in. I should sleep in on Saturday, but that ain't gonna work. They got some nice little stickers here. So, oh, let's put this. Since it was Thanksgiving, you could put this here. Okay. And then, we'll just put, I can't even right here just because, and the struggle is real. Put that there. Let's see. I don't know if they have any other little things to put. I have to buy some more stickers, like, I really do. I'm going to Hobby Lobby tomorrow. Let me put money sign for payday. That means payday for the 30th. Okay, just put it right there because I know we're not, doing that week right now, but that's what it is. Oh, I'm going to put a little coffee cup. Little coffee cup here. I'm going to put a little coffee cup there. These are cutesy. Cutesy. Alright, and yeah, they're just going to put something here. Like gold. Like what gold do I need to set? Okay. And then, oh, we got a little gym thing right here. Okay. So this for Saturday. Okay, gym. Alright. So that's basically it about that. Okay. I'm just going to put Life is Sweet at the top too. Right here. Alright. So that's just basically it about that. That's all we're going to do for here. Okay. Then we'll come back next time to do that part. Okay, you guys? Alright. So as you guys can see, blank. That's bad. I'm laughing at myself. All right, so this is the week from the 19th all the way up until the 25th. So I am about to record another week so I can already have it done because nobody has time. But I thought this was cute right here, what I did. I was like, okay, boo, I see you, boo, I see you. All right, so that's just basically about that. But yeah, so I hope you guys are motivated, planner babes, and I will see you guys the next time for next week of planning. Please hit the like button if you guys like these type of videos, and I will continue these, and I'm trying to be consistent, y'all. Please pray for me, okay? Please. Okay. All right, you guys. Thank you so much, and yeah, I hope you have a safe and happy holiday, a happy one, and yeah, that's basically about that. All right, you guys, any questions, comments, that's marking my 70. You know what I'm watching. Peace, bye.